everyone, welcome back. I hope you all are fine and safe. So in this video we are going to see the solution of chapter number 22 on the move again. So let's begin with question number 6. Answer the following questions. Number 1. If people in Dhanu's village did not leave the village in search of work, what difficulties would they face in their own village? Answer. If people in Dhanu's village did not leave the village in search of work, they would find no work in their village, so they would have no money for food or anything else. Thus, they would face a lot of difficulties even for the bare necessary of their life. Number 2. What arrangements are made at your home for old and sick family members when everyone goes for walk? Answer. When old and sick family members have to be at home when everyone goes for work, my mother stays with them to look after them and see to their food. When my mother has to go out due to some unavoidable circumstances, my elder sister is there to look after them and see to their food. Number 3. Why does Dhanu's mommy wish that Dhanu should go to school for the whole year and study? Answer. Dhanu is mommy's favorite. She wants Dhanu to study to become somebody in life and get a good job. Should this happen, Dhanu will not have to move around with family like this. Therefore, mommy wishes that Dhanu should go to school for the whole year and study. Number 4. Can farming be done even without rainwater? How? Answer. Yes. Farming can be done even without rainwater with the help of water from canals, lake, river, dams, wells and bore wells. Number 5. Dhanu's family and many other from the village go far away for work, but some people stay back in the village. Why does this happen? Answer. Dhanu's family and many others from the village do not have their own land, so they will leave their village and go far away for work. Old people, sick, weak people, and very small children will stay back because they cannot work, and a few people will also stay back in the village to look after all the people. Next, number 6. Why did the mood of Dhanu's relative who had come to celebrate the Shera change in the evening? Answer. Dhanu's relatives who had come to celebrate the Shera passed the day in laughing and chatting. But by evening, when it was time to part, the women and the children felt sad. Moreover, the man had a meeting with the Mukaddam in the evening in which details about their loans and where they would have to go for the next 6 months would be discussed. Thinking about all this, everybody's mood changed. Number 7. Which job which jobs do families working in sugarcane field do? Answer. Families working in sugarcane fields work very hard. The men wake up early and go to the field to cut sugarcane. The women and children tie the bundles of sugarcane. Then the bundles are taken to the sugarcane factory. Number 8. Dhanu has to go with his village people to other places. Can there be some arrangements during that time so that Dhanu continues his studies? Of what kind? Answer. Yes, Dhanu can be given admission to the school which is there in the area to which his village people have to go and allowed to study in whichever grades he is. Apart from this, as per government scheme, teacher of a nearby school can go to teach children like Dhanu. The government has implemented such scheme for people who migrate or are displaced. Now, question number 7, answer as asked. Number 1. Do you know of any jobs, work from which people have to stay away from their families for many months? Write 5 examples. Yes, there are many such jobs or work for which people have to stay away from their families for many months. Examples of such work jobs from the book are as follows. Number 1, mountaineering. 2, traveling in the spacecraft. 3, working as soldier. 4, going abroad for job or work. Number 5, players going to foreign countries to play in the tournaments. Number 2, for what reasons do people migrate? Answer. Point number 1, since there are better job, business opportunities in cities, people migrate to cities in search of better livelihood. Number 2, people who have government job get transferred, so they need to migrate to a new place. Number 3, people migrate for their children's better education. Number 4, people also migrate to save themselves from disasters like floods, cyclones or earthquakes. Number 5, when a dam has to be built and the surrounding villages are going to be submerged. Next we have activities. Number 1, find and stick pictures of irrigation sources used for farming. So your names are given and you have to find out the pictures and stick into these boxes. Number 1 is well. Number 2, tube well or bore well. Number 3 is canal. Now, number 2, make slogans against intoxicating substances like tobacco, gutka, masala, alcohol or other narcotic drugs and stick them in your school and village. Slogans. Number 1, intoxication is the root of destruction. Number 2, let's exile the demons of drugs and alcohol. Number 3, life is ruined by tobacco, gutka and masala. Number 4, families are ruined by intoxicating substances. Number 5, tobacco causes cancer. This is the absolute truth. Next we have HOTS questions. Choose the correct alternative from those given below each question and write the index letter in the box provided against each question. Number 1, since Dhanu's father is the eldest in the family, options A, he takes care of the whole family. B, all festivals are celebrated at his house. C, he is the Sarpanch of the village. D, he gives every member of his family money for expenses. Answer is B, all festivals are celebrated at his house. Next, number 2, what do Dhanu's family member do for money to run the house when there is no rain and no work in the field? Options. A, they work in the village. B, they plant trees. C, they borrow money from the Mukaddam. D, they do the work of digging lakes. Answer is C, they borrow money from the Mukaddam. Next, number 3, what is made from sugarcane juice? Options A, sweets. B, sugar. C, halwa. D, rasmalai. Answer is B, sugar. Number 4, where are tied up sugarcane bundles taken from the fields? Options A, to the factory. B, to the village. C, to the orchard. D, to the city. Answer is A, to the factory. So here we complete the solution of chapter number 22. If you have any doubt, query or suggestion, let me know in the comment section. I will see you in the next video with a new chapter. Till then, bye bye. Take care.